What's up, guys? Nate here, Country Classic 57. I know I haven't posted much about the truck or the car or pretty much anything other than the laser tag, and it's because I guess if you want to say things have gotten to a stalemate. Not really a stalemate, it's just there's been no progress. Also, dog. Haha. Sweeto. Anyways, so I gotta share this with you guys. So I know I live in a small town. I know, I live in a trailer park, but this is kind of ridiculous. Granted, yes, I do live in a trailer park. I don't expect much, but really, this? That's right, my dad. This is my dad's car, by the way. So this is not my, second vehicle or first vehicle or whatever. No. This is my dad's car, and someone has taken the rear tire off the vehicle. So, got to deal with that now. And of course, we're going to be filing a police report here shortly. But I mean, we got to deal with that. We got to deal with, there's a bunch of different things we got to deal with. Well, anyways, I'll talk with you guys more about it after we get that whole thing squared away. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so just as a heads up, I know this is not automotive related. I know I've been putting a lot of time in laser tag. It's an outlet for me. Please don't be upset. It's fun. It's highly entertaining because of me. We'll go ahead and say it, my fat ass. I don't like to curse and swear, but my fat ass trying to run and trying to shoot. I'm not the best at a lot of things, but I'm okay at this, so, why not? And plus, it's a good outlet to shoot my anger out without hurting anybody. No, there's no any underlines of that or anything. You do not have to psych profile me. Just saying, you need an outlet. Everybody needs an outlet, and this seems to be a great outlet for me. It's a lot of fun, and, I'm not that bad at it, and it's good exercise. So that's the reason why I'm doing this. Like I said, I know it's not automotive related, and I know it's not technically what you guys are normally seeing in the thing in the videos. Not that my channel needs to be a regular automotive channel. Not saying that. Granted, my passion is automotive. I hope you guys understand that. My passion is cars, trucks, mainly trucks. The cars still in the same. They bring, there's a lot to the cars. There's the elegance part of it. There's there is just the artistic to it, the artistic twist to every different car. And I mean, that's why I love classics too, is that technically my theory is on this is that if you get a classic car, no motor, no transmission, you still got a rear end though, you have a clean slate is what I like to call as a clean slate. You can put whatever motor you want in there, you can put whatever transmission, manual, automatic, whatever you want to put in there, sequential. You can do just about anything you want to with that car, paint, whatever, and you've got a rolling piece of art that only matters to you. That is one thing I love about classics. The newer stuff, yeah, you can do that. Yeah, but it's a little harder to do. The reason why is because you have smaller places to do it. Hold on a second. Okay, like I was saying, the problem with the newer cars is the fact that like the engine bays are tighter. You don't have much space to do a lot of the things like in the classic cars. You have frame rails. You can mount just about any kind of motor you want to. V10, V12. That engine bay, you can pretty much clean out the outside of the engine bay, and you pretty much the outside of the engine bay. I had to think of that for a second. Outside of the engine bay, and you can pretty much do anything with those cars. The newer stuff is just limited based on the fact of space. Like in my car, I would think the reason why I wouldn't do anything like a V8 swap or something like that is because of the engine bay and how crowded that engine bay is, just engineering wise. If I put a 3800 in my Torrent, I could probably do that. Everything's gonna be a very tight fit. I mean, squeezing tight, but still, in the sense of it, it'd still be a wicked car. And I'm getting winded already. I haven't even started out there yet. So, like I said, I'm sorry for just doing the laser tag stuff right now. There are a bunch of things in the works. And really, I'm waiting for some of the stuff to start for the truck. As soon as I start taking that thing apart, I'll be posting videos on it. I'll be posting pictures on Instagram, things like that. I want to keep you guys well informed on that. Just let you guys know. Anyways, take care, have fun. Look at this video and enjoy the ride.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, respawn, you're out. Let's go, respawn. You're out, let's go. No, not you. Sorry. Ready? Yep. All right, let's go. Respawn. Nice shot. Let's go, Bravo! respawn, respawn. Hey, watch up top. I got left. Hey, there's someone hanging out behind the Hummer. Someone's hanging out behind the Hummer. Look at it. Got him. It's almost not even fair. Yeah, you're still alive. You got that last one right there. Coming behind you. I got 4 people. Nice. Let's go, Bravo! Come on!